Happy Tech Tuesday, I'm Melanie Moron with UF Innovate, and today I'm joined by Tyler Loftus, who has won Invention of the Year award. Tyler, thanks so much for having us here and congrats on the award.
Thank you so much for having me.
So talk to us, what do you do?
So at the University of Florida, I'm a trauma surgeon, which means I take care of patients who are injured or have an emergency surgical condition. And I'm an ICU doctor, so I take care of critically ill patients in the ICU.
And what's the impact with your research?
So our hope is that the impact of this research will be that after surgery, doctors can make better decisions about who needs to be admitted to an intensive care unit and who can be safely triaged to a hospital floor with lower resource intensity. And doing so, we can decrease deaths in the hospital, length of stay in the hospital, and the amount of resource use that we use to take care of patients. So providing excellent care with better outcomes and also better resource use that better aligns with what we have available.
And being a trauma surgeon, what made you interested in this?
So what made me interested in this was the realization that the decisions that providers make, often under time constraints and conditions of uncertainty with incomplete information, is usually good. 85–90% of the time we get it right. And folks train pretty hard to gain their clinical judgment and make good decisions. And even then, with our best efforts, we make mistakes and we make wrong decisions. And so what got me interested in this was the realization that not cutting the doctors and the nurses and the providers out of the equation, but instead arming them with technology that will give them objective patient acuity assessments to help them make better decisions might catch that other 5, 10, 15% of the time when we're not making the best decision.
And how has being here at the University of Florida helped your research?
So being here at the University of Florida has been amazing for research because there's extraordinary data science resource infrastructure. I think we have world-class facilities for data science, especially for machine learning research, and a lot of that is driven by our partnerships with NVIDIA.
Well, Tyler, thanks again for having us here and talking to us about your awesome research.
All right, thank you so much for having me.
And that's another wonderful Tech Tuesday. We hope to see you next week.